Hello, I'm Christine Caninmonth, and I invented the belly belt in 1996 when I was pregnant with my first daughter. Fashions have changed a lot since then, but then again so has the belly belt, and I'd love to show you how. When you can no longer do up your favourite jeans, pants or skirts, belly belt comes to the rescue. The smallest belt now has more settings for early pregnancy, so you can wear it from the moment your jeans start feeling tight. Simply take the smallest belt and button it in. Belly belt has only one layer of elastic, so it sits flatter and is very discreet. If you have pants that have slide fastenings, attach the belly belt that has the slide fastening clips. As your tummy grows, the fly of your jeans opens up. Belly belt covers that gap with a fabric panel, which is now shaped to sit even flatter with less bunching. Button up as normal, or use the slide fastening and clasp belt. Then tuck the fabric panel into the gap, no skin on show, and it's warmer and more comfortable. And here's a tip: jeans with a bit of stretch in the leg or pants with some room will feel more comfortable than tightly fitting jeans or stiff fabrics. Add your favourite top and your maternity wardrobe is expanded, thanks to Belly Belt.